Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Crypto Takeover here. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Let's jump on into it. Coinbase listing gets listed today. $250 per share from Nasdaq ahead of today's direct listing. And Bitcoin right now is sitting at about 63,400. So yeah, we are seeing that price rise as the listing gets completed for right now. And let's see what we can go over. Let's go ahead and cue the intro and get started with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, folks. Check the links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel. We keep these videos ad-free for your convenience. I just ask that y'all check out some of those links and maybe help support the channel that way instead. And then also we have our private trading group page available for you, link in the description box below. You want to make sure that you have a Discord username in order to join us in our private trading group page too as well. So let's see here. Coinbase. All right, it got listed, folks. Coinbase is set to become the first major crypto business to go public in the U.S. And should it reach $100 billion market cap, will instantly be one of the country's 85 most valuable companies. Coinbase's $250 reference price for its direct listing would value the company at around $65.3 billion on a fully diluted basis. The reference price reflects past transactions and inputs from the investment bankers, but it does not indicate where the stock will open up on Wednesday. Nasdaq gave Coinbase reference price of about $250 a share ahead of Wednesday's planned direct listing, which would value the cryptocurrency exchange at about $65.3 billion in a fully diluted basis. Coinbase is set to become the first major crypto business to go public in the U.S. and should it reach a $100 billion market cap, will instantly be one of the country's 85 most valuable companies. The company's value has soared in the past year alongside with Bitcoin and Ethereum, the primary currencies traded on the site. Coinbase chose the direct listing path for the public market rather than pursuing a traditional IPO. That means instead of raising cash by selling new shares to the group of institutional investors, Coinbase is allowing existing stakeholders to start selling immediately at a market-driven price. The reference price provided by Nasdaq reflects recent private market trades and input from the investment bankers, but does not indicate where the stock will open. This is Nasdaq's first major direct listing. In the 5 significant direct listings that have taken place on the New York Stock Exchange, Spotify, Slack, Palantir, Asana, and Roblox, the opening price was on an average at about 35% above the reference price. If Coinbase opens with a similar percentage increase, the price would be around $343, very close to the average private market price for the first quarter of $343. Coinbase said last week in announcing preliminary first quarter results that we've already heard about their revenues doing pretty well too. Coinbase has mapped out a plan to be the center of the emerging crypto economy, and the first in which financial transactions and online marketplaces will largely move to the blockchain, giving investors a wide set of digital currencies to buy and trade. But the company has acknowledged that short-term growth will primarily be directed by the price and transaction volume of Bitcoin. Yes, and so we're definitely going to see that correlation happen when it comes to the Coinbase listing and crypto and Bitcoin, and also Ethereum take off too as well with some of the altcoins. But without further ado, folks, let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts and get started over there. All right, so how has Coinbase listing done so far with the Bitcoin price? Well, this is our daily chart here, and as you can see, we are definitely seeing a nice little rise here in the candlestick patterns too as well. Bitcoin right now sitting at about $63,300, so we're getting a nice support level above the $60,000 mark, $61,000 mark, where this blue line was at. We got a nice clean breakout above the blue line, and now we're seeing our lime green candles start to take place here on our daily chart too as well. We have a purple box up here for reference, giving 2 of our other indicators that we use on this channel. Well, some more or less they're like logarithmic charts and stuff of that nature, to let us know where next price target would possibly be, possibly in the $70,000 area too as well. We're seeing some nice momentum waves here, finally getting above that 60% level on market Cipher B as well. This is definitely going to just be a train that is not slowing down at all. So we're gonna now hold support probably above the 60% level have a little bit more of a bull market rally, possibly into that $70,000 range here in the near term future. Let's see what is going to happen here. Let's go on into some of our smaller time frames, looking at the 12-hour chart here. 12-hour chart also, market cipher B definitely giving us a nice momentum wave above that 60% level too. This is what we were looking for in yesterday's video, and lo and behold, it has gotten there. So you know, we could start to see a little bit of sideways action. It looks like on our 6-hour chart we've gotten a red dot on market cipher B2 as well. And now we're starting to see our VWAP just kind of move sideways. Momentum waves are also kind of moving sideways here on market cipher B2 as well. And folks, if you're interested in picking up Market Cipher, link in the description box below with the 5% off discount code there too as well. And let's continue to zoom in here, take a look at our 4-hour. Let's see if we're seeing any bounces here. 2-hour chart. It still looks like we're kind of headed down here a little bit. 2-hour chart giving us a nice little stair step pattern down below our 60% level, and it looks like we are starting to fall below our green money flow wave here too as well. So we probably want to see our momentum wave, which is our blue wave, start to recover. We want to start to see the VWAP recover back to the upside too as well. Let's continue to zoom out here. It looks like our candles are starting to turn red here as well too. If we kind of zoom in there, you can see our candles are starting to turn red. Let's go into our 45 minute. Let's take a look at our 45 minute. Ooh, 45 minute. This is a good one to look at here. 45 minute chart. What we're seeing here is definitely some consolidation. We're seeing market cipher give us a green dot down here on our 45 minute chart too as well, with some bullish divergence. So last time we had this bullish divergence on our last momentum wave too, did lead us to a nice little price rally there too as well. Momentum waves also moving to the upside. This was our last time we got our bullish divergence, and then we had a nice little skyrocket price movement up there. Not going to say that this next bullish divergence is going to play out that well, but as you can see, we are getting the bullish divergence line. Money flow is still heavily in the green here on our 45 minutes time frame, so this is definitely going to buoyance us back up probably above our green money flow once again, and maybe back even into that 60% level too on our 45 minute chart. So things are looking relatively good, folks. Definitely stay tuned with us here. Don't forget, if you want to pick up Market Cipher, links in the description box below. You get access to CryptoFace's Discord server too once you join. There's a 5% off discount code there too as well. And then if you want to also check out some of the other links too as well, links down in the description box below too as well. Help support the channel. And with that being said, folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel as the crypto markets continues to rally. Don't forget, our private trading group page is available if you want to join that as well. Message me on Discord if you want to pay with crypto. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.